In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use version history in Canva. If you've ever found yourself wishing you could go back to a previous version of your design because you accidentally deleted something important or simply preferred an earlier version, then this feature will be a lifesaver for you. Using version history is incredibly easy once you know where to find it, especially when you're using Canva Pro. Now, let's dive in and explore how you can make the most out of this feature. To begin with, make sure you have your Canva design open that you'd like to review the version history for. Once you're ready, look towards the top left corner of your screen and find the File tab. This is your starting point. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. It's pretty intuitive so far, isn't it? In this menu, you'll see various options related to your file, but don't get distracted by all of these just yet. Our focus today is on the version history. Next, you'll need to look for the version history option. However, it's crucial to note that this feature is only available for Canva Pro users. So if you're on the free version, unfortunately, this is where our journey ends. But if you are a Canva Pro user or are willing to upgrade, you're going to benefit immensely from this feature. Once you locate version history in the drop-down, go ahead and click on it. After clicking, you will be taken to a new view that allows you to browse through different versions of your design. This is such a powerful feature because it not only shows the changes you've made over time, but it also dates them. So if you're looking to revert to a version from a specific date, you can do just that. At this point, you'll see a timeline of sorts showing you every saved version of your design. Browse through the list of these different versions. It might feel like taking a walk down memory lane. Select the date of the version you want to explore. Clicking on a version will give you a preview of what that design looked like at that point in time. It's essential to double check and make sure that's the version you need before you decide to restore it. Once you're satisfied and have identified the version you want to revert to, you can choose to restore that version, bringing back all its design elements. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated Canva's version history feature, allowing you to switch back to any previous design with ease. Remember, having the ability to navigate through version histories can drastically improve your workflow, saving you time and reducing the perpetual fear of making irreversible mistakes. So, the next time you feel like you've messed up a design or just want to revisit an earlier draft, you know exactly what to do. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in mastering Canva's version history feature.